Good morning, students. Today I will explain the chapter 14, which is related to plant and animals. Therefore, it is essential that we know the vocabulary related to them. In case of animal, there is specific words indicate male and female, different names are there. Their babies, different names also there, and to give the species for the young one places the living and sound of their voice. The special word that tell us whether they are small, strong, weak, their plants, body parts, and many of these words it is metamorphically talk about the humankind. Yes, Ravi is as strong as an ox. यानी ये जो एग्जाम्पल है वी नो दैट ऑक्स इज वेरी strong animal. So we compare Ravi with the ox. So Ravi is strong as ox. She is graceful as gazelles. Okay. So all animals, plants, their birds, male and female, and their babies all are know about these lessons. And sometimes we compare ourselves with the plant. So for example, he is as brave as लायन, यानी सच में लायन के जैसा उसके शरीर में तो ताकत नहीं होती है, बट वी हैव टू कंपेयर. सो इन दिस स्टोरी, इन दिस लेसन्स वी कैन लर्न सो मेनी things. This is the one of the passage. Okay, this passage I explain. Where do you say we are going? Okay, I ask a little zoo, she said, meant for a city children who had otherwise have little access to animals. Okay, this is the conversations you can say, and this is the passage you can say. मैंने पूछा तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो, बोले बच्चे बोले कि हम जू में जा रहे हैं. एंड व्हाट इज देयर, आई आस्क क्यूरियस, आई आस्क देम व्हाई यू गोइंग देयर, व्हाट आर देयर. They tell me, oh, mostly domestic animals, you can touch them and feed them. They are nothing to be afraid of. As we drove closer, I could hear the animals' noises quite distinctly. The lowing of cow and bleats of sheep and whinny of a horse. I had any idea what horses neigh so loudly. Here the students say that in the pet animals we can, I mean domestic animals, we can touch them, we can love them, but in zoo we can see the various types of animals, and it is very necessary to know how can horse say loudly. Horse's sound is called neigh. Listen, this story is very big, but this whole story they give us the little bit about their males, females, their sound and their babies. Okay, so here there were a number of large enclosure in which the animals were contained. First there was a great herd of cows. Group of cows ko we can say herd. Okay, the bull, tall and massive, stood by while the playful calves kept. Calves means what? The baby of cow is called calves. It is plural, so you can say calves, calves. Okay, hills and played their own games. Next were a team of horses, a group of horses, you can say the handsome stallion. Okay, some gentle mares. Mares means female horse. Okay, and their frisky falls, their baby is called the fall. Okay, a herd of sad-eyed Jack and Jenny, asses to fall, stood quiet and unaccompanied in the next stall. Okay, when the horses, I mean the asses means जिसको हम डंकी कहते हैं, उस तरह से एनिमल्स, उनकी बेबी को जैक एंड जेनी कहा जाता है. ए फनी स्मेल हिट बाय nostrils as a flock of goats passed away. Listen, the group of goats is called flock of goats. Okay, there's a bunch of flower, piles of book like that, flock of goats. Tall, bare, billy goats followed by their sturdy nannies and kids. Okay, their baby is called also nannies, you can say, and you can say the kids. They were followed by the curly hair sheep, nicely rounded ram, and the and their adorable little lambs. Okay, lambs की बेबी किसका है? रैम्स मतलब वो शीप देखा है ना, शीप शीप का जो जेंडर आई मीन द मेल जेंडर इज कॉल्ड रैम्स. उसके शरीर में बहुत बदबू आती है, लंबे लंबे दाढ़ी होती है, ठीक है, तो उनको रैम कहा जाता है, उनकी बेबी को लेम्स कहा जाता है. दे आर बीइंग टेकन आउट टू द ग्रेज. The birds and closer come next. There were mostly water birds, flock of dapper drakes. देखो drake, ducks, duckling are the neat white gangers. ये सब animals. This is the water animals. You can say water birds. Geese and gosling. Their baby gander is a male, geese is a female, and gosling is their baby. They surprised the pair of beautiful, and the cub and pen swam gracefully the little stream, following a neat line by their baby of grave signet. यानी डक का जो बेबी होता है ना, उसको सिग्नेट कहते हैं. वन क्लोजर टू गेट ए लुक बट स्केयर ऑफ बाय द वॉर्मिंग हिस. The final few cages held at the attraction some troop of kangaroos. The kangaroo का ग्रुप को ट्रूप कहते हैं, ट्रूप ऑफ kangaroos, and deer का ग्रुप को herd. I was announced to find that both kangaroos shared the same genders name of stag and doe. Okay, वो लोग सेम जेंडर फेल करते हैं, जैसे कि कंगारू का बेबी को आई मीन फीमेल को क्या कहते हैं? स्टैग, और डियर का जो फीमेल होता है उसको डो. जो हैज हैविंग ए जो मीन्स देयर बेबी is called Joe. Ride in its mother's pouch, and the lovely fawns, quite the tame, come up close to the sniff and our hands and find out if they brought something good for them to eat. As I was admiring with lovely spotted cats and has sound rent the air, hee ha, and their sound is like just recall, their sound is called the hee ha. It went for about 2 minutes. Okay, while I covered the ears, the donkey were braying for their food, braying the sound of a donkey. They could complain and howl. Listen, this is the story of a zoo. What you saw in the zoo, that writer explain here. They saw various animals, male and female, and also their baby, and also their sound. So I will give in here some. There's female, male, female, horse, stallion and mare, swan, cub and pen. Lot of things is there. I will explain it. I will give you as your PDF. Okay. Now come here. There is some animals. Some animals like cat or dog, paws. The hands of cat and dogs are called paw. The long hair on the neck of lion or horse is called man. मैन मतलब उनकी दाढ़ी आप देखे होंगे, जो लायन होती है उनकी लंबी लंबी दाढ़ी होती है. एंड इट रेज पार्ट ऑफ द बैक ऑफ कैमल. कैमल के जो पीछे अपने देखे होंगे उनकी बैक में एक ऊंची जैसा कुछ रहता है, उसको क्या कहते हैं? हम्प. ओके. देन feet of cattle is called the hooves. Like that, so many things are there. You have to recognize when I am giving you the PDF, because there are horns of elephant, rhinos, this is ducks, the young one in the kangaroo, in her pouch, feather is there. Feather means the covering of bird's body is called the feather. Antler means the horns of deer is called antler. The fangs, snakes, poisonous teeth of a snake is called the fangs. Whisker means the hair near the mouth of an animal. You saw that the cat have a whisker, coat. The fur of the furry covering on the animals is called coat. So I can give you PDF and explain there, and you have to write in your textbook. Okay, now another is there. Here coming the plant, and previous are related to the animals. Now it is come to the plant. The main woody part of the tree is called trunk. Okay, the leaves of the tree or plant is called foliage. Okay, then the tree that shed its leaves yearly, एक बार वो क्या करता है, अपना पत्ता निकल देता है ट्री, उसको क्या बोलते हैं, डेसिडियस. Okay, then whose wood is used for making furniture, this hardwood. So many things are explained here. It is very nice and very good exercise. I mean 14, chapter 14 is very good, because you get lot of knowledge about the animals and plant. So students, in previously chapter is little bit different this chapter, because previously chapter is help you to written and making the sentences, and this is very necessary to your day-to-day life. But this lesson is give you knowledge about the plant, about the trees, which is very necessary to know about the plants and about the animals. जैसे किसकी बेबी को क्या कहते हैं, मेल एंड फीमेल को क्या कहते हैं, एंड देयर साउंड. हाँ, जैसे किसकी साउंड को कैसे कहते हैं, जैसे गोट के साउंड को ब्लीट कहते हैं, हाँ, लायन एंड टाइगर के साउंड को रोयर्स कहते हैं. उस तरह से तरह तरह की प्लांट का जो चीज़ होती है उसको क्या हम लोग कहते हैं. you have learned very seriously and learn, because so many things is good for you. You can learn it from your lesson, and this is, I hope this is new things for you to learn so many things in a same chapter. Okay, so students, I am take it very serious way, because this is related to GK also. It can help you in knowledge also. Okay, thank you.